guys, so welcome back. I'm eating a granola bar, but so I wanted to give you an update. I had strep throat, but I'm getting better. So sorry if my voice is a little groggy. There's actually a hurricane coming our way. So, yeah. Today we're gonna get Today we're gonna go out and just grab some water. So yeah. And then we're just gonna stack up on some water. Probably pack up because we will be evacuating. We're gonna go to my aunt's house out of town, so the hurricane doesn't do any damage to us ourselves or hurt us or anything, because we're gonna be out of town, and so we're gonna go to my aunt's house out of town with some of my friends, and yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna evacuate by tomorrow. And yes, that's what's going on. I am bringing the babies because I don't want them to get damaged or anything here, because we're going out of town and it's just really safer to bring them. And the friend who's going with me is a reborn mommy too, so yeah, that's just the update on the hurricane. Sorry I haven't filmed I Love Lucy. I know I've skipped a couple weeks, but it's just with the hurricane coming and stuff, and with Memorial Day. Happy late Memorial Day. But yeah, I'm very sorry. Once this whole hurricane shebang is over, I will get back to filming those on a regular basis. In the comments of this video, let me know if you want me to do a hurricane vlog or whatever. I honestly don't know if I can, because I don't know. Even though we're going out of town, I still don't know if there's gonna be power, at least. So I think there will be. If there is, I'll vlog. If there isn't, I won't. But yeah, we're just gonna leave, so we'll be fine. And that's your hurricane update.